Want to spend less on your Bluehost web hosting purchase and get a Bluehost coupon code discount? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code that will give you a Bluehost discount, saving you money. You'll get 70% off Bluehost hosting plans, plus get a free domain name. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Bluehost discount. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Bluehost discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be where you'll see the Bluehost plans. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $295 a month with the Basic plan, with a savings of 70% off. $545 a month with the Plus plan, with the savings of 63% off. $545 a month with the Choice Plus plan, with a savings of 71% off. $1395 a month with the Pro plan, with a savings of 51% off. You'll get the cheapest pricing with a 12-month term. If you click on the 36-month term, you'll see you'll pay more per month for your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Once you hit the select button on the plan you want to go with, you'll be able to choose a free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name at the moment, you can click the Create My Domain Later button. You can then choose a free domain name when you have it picked out at a later time in the Bluehost dashboard. Once you complete this step, you'll be directed to a page where you'll enter your account information. Below that, you'll see package information. Under that, you'll see package extras. Next, select any package extras you'd like and enter your payment information details. At this point, you've successfully purchased Bluehost hosting and taken advantage of the Bluehost discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.